Moms Every Day with Christina Elk, brought to you by Moms Every Day on WNDU.com.
Making strides with Mako. To tell us more about a robot that's helping orthopedic surgeons in the operating room, we're joined by Dr. Brian Ratigan from South Bend Orthopedics. Good afternoon, Dr. Ratigan.
Thanks for having me.
Tell us more about this Mako robot and how it's helping you guys with people who need knee and hip replacements.
So it's just helping us align everything better, right?
Okay.
So we do a CAT scan ahead of time, we get 3D imaging, and we get to factor in alignment from hip to the ankle for a knee replacement.
Yeah.
It just makes everything more precise.
Very cool. It's really cool. It's a robotic arm that you use as a tool. Can you explain a little bit more about how it works?
Yeah, exactly. So everything's the same as far as us doing what we do as surgeons, except the software and programming leading up to it allows everything to function better, so that if we tried to do it wrong at some point, it wouldn't let us.
Very, very cool. So who is a good candidate for this type of surgery in your opinion?
So arthritic knees and hips, right? Patients of all ages actually, and we used to gear it towards certain patient types, but now we've geared it to everybody.
Okay.
So young, old, athletic, lower demand lifestyle, they all fit because it's just better.
Wow, it's amazing what technology can do there for that sort of thing, isn't it?
Yeah, 10 years ago I never would have thought I'd be doing robotic total knees, but as a sports-minded person, you want it to align better and be more of a good fit, which leads to better function.
Very cool. So where is the Mako robot offered in Michiana?
So South Bend Orthopedics, we have a few guys in our group that are doing quite a bit of it. St. Joe Hospital, Allied Surgery Center, believe it or not, a lot of joint replacements are going home same day now.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
Yeah.
And then quickly, do you need a referral or can you just make an appointment? How does that work?
Yeah, in our office, you just make an appointment right through South Bend Orthopedics. You don't have to have a referral.
Okay, that's great information. Thank you so much, Dr. Ratigan. And if you would like to learn more about South Bend Orthopedics, just look for Moms Every Day at WNDU.com.
Moms Every Day with Christina Elk is brought to you by Moms Every Day on WNDU.com.